In this video, we're going to talk about depression. A lot of times people get confused between sadness and depression, or a depressive mood and depression. So I'm going to share with you quick signs that you can look out for, whether it be in you or in your loved ones, to really spot depression. So one important aspect of depression is a depressive mood. So sometimes when people are in a depressive mood for longer than 15 days or 2 weeks, then that is one of the signs of depression. The other important sign of depression is that people tend to lose the interest in those things that actually they quite liked before, or that they actually found pleasurable before. So it be their hobbies, or it be their work, or spending time with their family, friends. They suddenly now are not really interested in those things anymore. Another sign is when you see a change in your sleeping or eating habits. So either you're sleeping a lot more than before, you're sleeping a lot less than before, and eating more or eating less than before. That also is another sign. If you have suicidal thoughts, then of course that's another sign of depression. Another sign is when you completely sort of isolate yourself, where you don't like to socialize. Suddenly you're keeping yourself away from your friends and family. But depression is when you go through 2 or 3 of these signs, and not just any one thing. But when you find your friends or family showing 2 or 3 of these signs, then that is when you may consider that as depression. Of course, the best way to find out is going to a clinical psychologist and getting yourself tested for depression. But how do you really help yourself or the people you love through depression? First most important thing is, don't stop yourself from meeting friends and family. No matter how much you dislike it, or no matter how much you feel like staying home alone, don't do that. Put yourself out there, meet friends, family. That makes a big difference. The other is that try to do different things. Try to do new things. What happens is when we try out new things, our brain releases certain hormones which help in depression. So if you're cooking something, try cooking something you've never done before. If you're taking a route to office, try taking a different route. Try some new hobby, learn something different. That again helps in depression. But the most important thing to do when you or your loved one are suffering from depression is to seek professional help by going to a counselor or psychotherapist. So please don't shy away from doing that.